Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily invest money to cryptocurrencies in Revolut, or how you can buy Bitcoin. So let's click here on dashboard. When you're going to be in dashboard, you're going to see here cryptocurrencies. Let's click add new. When you're going to add new, you can just easily add from these cryptocurrencies. Let's just click Bitcoin. And you're going to see it here. So we got a Bitcoin, nice. And now you have no Bitcoin in your account. You see that the one Bitcoin got 6K, and you can just easily buy the Bitcoin. And now you just press here and you can just exchange the Bitcoin and buy it. It's pretty easy. But yeah, please be aware that cryptocurrencies can just strictly fluctuate in price. That's true. That's the truth here. So this is how you do it, and this is how you can easily buy cryptocurrencies in Revolut. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, thank you everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.